Hello everyone, welcome. So I hope you are all enjoying this journey of becoming a coach, a meditation coach. So again, let's talk something in general. We have already spoken about what the meditation is, what the coaching is, how to first self coach and then coach others. So again, the same thing I am repeating. So here we have by now we have gone through 2 3 meditations connecting with the breath. So connecting with the breath is most important. If you can do it on daily basis, on hourly basis, that will bring you back in the present moment and that will bring you more aware. So once again, let's talk about what the so meditation means. Concentrating your mind, like if it meditation is the exercise of your mind, meditation is the exercise of your brain. So suppose if we exercise for one particular body part, that muscle gets trained for that particular thing. Like if you practice basketball, so your hand muscle will be trained for that particular activity. If you play harmonium, your hands will be trained for that particular activity. Similarly, the meditation is the exercise of the mind and the brain. So we are training our mind and our brain to stay calm, to stay focused, so to do one activity at one point of time, so that will help us to create a space wherein we are always calm, we are always balanced, and that is the purpose of meditation. Like even in the midst of chaos, how to stay in the state of equilibrium, right? So that is the most important journey. So concentration means what is, what is the meaning of the word concentration? Means concentrate the energy. I mean to say, like rather than scattering, bringing it together, concentrated form. We say that it's a concentrated form. So concentrated form means the form wherein the energy is gathered in some form. So we are bringing back that energy, we are bringing that focus onto the object of meditation. So we have chosen in the first meditation we have chosen breath as the object of meditation. So breath will be your object of meditation throughout your life, because breath is always available to you. But in meditations, like then we are doing the guided meditations, depending upon the, because we are doing this to help others and self. So whatever your problem is, you during the course of journey you will be able to create your own meditations depending upon the requirement. As I said, take the goal and take the blocks. So you have to focus on the goal and you have to remove the blocks. So we have learned the meditation for removing the negativity, letting go through the taps, and then grounding, because being present is very important. So in the next set we will be doing some meditations to create some realities. So after 4 5 6 meditations you will be rather able to create your own set of meditations depending upon the problems and the goals of the particular person. So that is very important. And especially if a person is under stress, anxiety, depression, lots of thinking, so before going into the specific visualizations of manifestation, we prefer to connect with the breath first, to give you exercises wherein the person is feeling more calmer and at peace within, so that he or she can manifest the outer things as well. So that is the main focus of meditation. Enjoy this journey. Thank you so much.